We're on Reddit again and we're covering the drama, the issues, the struggles, the performance drop off that many people have. But most of the Facebook ads gurus out there, they'll be like, we're making millions with our Facebook ads. Every day is more profitable than the previous one. So you should blame it on yourself. But when I open Reddit, I see a lot of people struggling with Facebook ads. And I'm seeing new threads like this each and every day. So this guy says consecutive days of zero sales. I've been consistently getting between 3 to 5 sales per day and also not always profitable, but yesterday and today I've gotten zero. Same amount of traffic, but no buying intent at all. How often does this happen to you and how do you manage? I'm close to losing my mind about why is it happening. I've made no major changes to either Facebook or my store. Oh, this guy has been running ads. He's getting 3 to 5 sales per day. Some days profitable, some days not profitable. But in the last few days, performance completely dropped off. What's the best advice, right? What's the best advice the people are actually giving him? And then I'm gonna share my opinion after I read a bunch of comments. Usually I only look at 7-day data, but I will say the past 48 to 72 hours have been fairly awful, very low quality traffic. The month up until this point, though, has been great, so who knows? So this guy says he's having a great month so far, just the last 2-3 days were very bad. This guy also confirms the issue. I'm having the same issue. My conversion rate dropped dramatically. Last 48 hours, traffic are same but very low quality. So he's driving the same amount of traffic, but the quality is bad. What it means, I think he wants to say that the traffic converts. He says, I have clarity set up so I'm able to monitor user behavior and most users leave off the landing page after 3 seconds. So he's using Microsoft Clarity to track the traffic on his page. And this is what Microsoft Clarity will do for you. I'm doing something. So Microsoft Clarity will help you track the traffic on your landing page, right? So this is how you'll see. You're gonna see where people are clicking. You're gonna see from where the traffic is coming from, which countries, what's the conversion rate, etc. So it's like a Google Analytics and Hotjar in one combined, and you can use it for free. You can get it completely for free, so please do so. Same here. People visit my website for 3 to 5 seconds and then they leave. More than 70% of my website visit for the last 2 days have been like that, right? So what happens actually? A lot of people are seeing fake traffic. A lot of people are seeing traffic that is not converting. So if in the last few days, if you are experiencing a performance drop off, you're not alone. All those people, they have the same issue. This guy says Uncle Ecom, that's his name. His name is Uncle Ecom, so he probably knows what he's doing. We've been served bot traffic increasingly more as the user base goes down. Facebook Lifeblood is their ad revenue. Zook tried to diversify with the metaverse and VR, but they haven't been as successful as originally planned. So when they are relying on ads to stay afloat and users start abandoning the platform, what happens next? MySpace 2.0. So this guy predicts that this is the end for Facebook ads, right? He thinks that a lot of people are leaving the platform and Mark Zuckerberg is driving a lot of fake traffic on the platform, a lot of bots, a lot of fake accounts, and they drive the advertising very bad. Facebook got too cocky after monopolizing the PPC and social media space for so long. I guess they don't consider their scenario when their platform becomes uncool and people become addicted to micro content like TikTok. Meta is playing catch up with their reels and stories, but the writing is on the wall. When the truth comes out, what's actually been happening behind the scenes at Meta Ads, it will go down as soon. It will go down as one of the biggest swindles in the modern business history. What other industry sells a fake product, bought traffic to millions, right? And they still get away with it. The problem is by the time the truth comes out and advertisers group together to try and get compensation, Facebook will be already either dead or on life support. I've put my business on emergency status. Cut spending can delay new product launches. I'm hoping the Apple Ads platform will save us. I'm tired of donating money to Zook, latest doomsday bunker. If you're following the media, you know that Mark Zuckerberg is building a bunker. So what we all do on Facebook ads, we just donate money to Mark Zuckerberg so he could build a bunker. I don't care how many gold chains he wears or how messy his hair is. I've never liked the guy, and even less so this year after being all right. You know how Mark Zuckerberg did this, right? He started wearing the stupid chains, Instagram Mark, and he kind of like revamped his image, right? So this is what Mark is doing right now. He has the chains. He's wearing the chains. He started doing UFC training, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So Mark Zuckerberg is much cooler right now. You can see the chain, the cool glasses. So Mark Zuckerberg is no longer a a tech nerd. He's a cool dude. He does Jiu-Jitsu. He wears cool sunglasses, right? He wears like gold chains. He trains with Alex Pereira. Oh, so Mark Zuckerberg is a cool guy. What is your EMQ score on Meta? I'm not sure what that means. I just checked this and whoa, terrible. I even use Omega Facebook Pixel and the score on Meta are trash. EMQ score on Meta. I'm not sure what is this. Let's do a research and learn together. EMQ score. Oh, event match quality score. All right. I just checked this and whoa, terrible. I even use Omega Facebook Pixel and the scores on Meta are trash. I don't think we have control over this. If we do the copy integration and the Pixel installation properly, we should be good. But a lot of people are struggling. I've gone from 10 to 15 at 300 per day to 0 to 3 at 175. Just reduced to 150. I might create a brand new campaign today and on 50 and start scaling up all over again. So this guy, he says he's also not getting sales consistently and he also struggles, so he's downscaling. He's lowering the budget. This guy says consistency doesn't exist. Don't worry about it. And I can confirm that for sure, right? If you run ads are not consistent. One day you get amazing results. The next day you struggle a lot. This is the reality of Facebook ads. So no matter what happens, you should always keep in mind that this is a market, this is a marketplace. One day people will buy more, the next day they might not buy more. There is also a lot of things happening politically. So there is a lot of influence on why people buy and why they stop buying. It's not always the Facebook ads platform, but I think in the last few recent months, it is. Something is broken. Something is broken, and other gurus are making millions from selling courses, but when they run ads, they also make millions. I'm just kidding. Or right now, Facebook ads only work for YouTube gurus, right? I also have bad days. On the Facebook ads platform, right? Results are a lot more inconsistent at a lower scale. Let's say you only have 2 campaigns live. Both campaigns could experience a slow day and leave you with 0 results. But if you have 10, maybe those 2 original campaigns have a bad day, but the other could get decent performance and could negate those losses. What does negate means? I'm not a native English speaker. I just struggle with English. I struggle with this channel a lot. On some days, I also struggle with Facebook ads. I also have days where I have consistent zero sales, although the previous day I had like 400 sales. No, that's not. I'm just kidding. There is a lot of competition in the moment in the ad space because of the after payday sales. After payday sales. After payday. The deals are coming 15th to 18th of August. Right now it's 14th. I'm not sure what's happening. Hi. No issue with it. Check your CPMs and change in case no. So this guy says no issues with like he's crushing it. This guy is crushing it. So go on Reddit and find this guy and learn from him and unsubscribe from my channel. Check your CPMs, any change in these days. Also, if you want to reduce the ad spend and keep it running, it will bring sales. This guy promises sales, although he doesn't know what you're selling, right? You're gonna have sales, so don't worry about it. If you need help with your Facebook ads, check the links in the description below. I have some Facebook ads courses targeting different things. If you wanna work with me one-on-one, check the links in the description below. Click the links, do something about it. Yeah, this is the video for today. I'm publishing a new video each and every day. I'm talking Facebook ads only. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Watch my previous videos. In the next few years, so I'll be releasing a video on Facebook ads each and every day. And let's see how it goes. To follow my channel growth, make sure you subscribe. Alrighty.